impeachment ni Sara finally unconstitutional na. What do you get when you sit on multiple complaints and wait literally 2 months before acting kasi inaantay mong magpasabog at magkuha ng mga pirma bago mag-adjourn ang Kongreso?
Wala pa eh. Wala pa silang sinasabi sa akin. I think the situation now, if I can describe it, is wait and see. It's wait and see. Especially with the rally of the Iglesia ni Cristo. No? I think that will be taken into account by the House members concerned.
Wait and see what, sir? What do you mean wait and see what?
Wait and see whether they will really file another complaint or not. Then I'll be forced to transmit these 3 complaints to the office of the Speaker.
Eventually spelling out the demise ng isang impeachment complaint that was endorsed by literally hundreds o more than 2/3 ng mga kongresista. A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity squandered kasi nga ikaw, masyado kang mabagal.
Secretary General, please respond.
Mr. Speaker, as of the present, the total number of members of the House of Representatives is 306.
The majority leader is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, may we inquire from the Secretary General how many members of the House verified and swore before him the impeachment complaint?
Secretary General, please respond to the query of the majority leader.
Yes, Mr. Speaker. Pursuant to Section 14, Rule 4 of the Rules of Procedure, in impeachment proceedings, the total number of House members who verified and sworn before me this impeachment complaint is 215 House members.